Hello my dear students, welcome back to my YouTube channel Study Materials. I am your English teacher Andeli. Today we are going to discuss about your next chapter's question and answers, Unit 3, that is Galileo. Let's begin with your glossary. Event: find out something new. Avishkara. Next one, discover. Find out something which was already there but was not known until then. ಕಂಡು ಹಿಡಿ. ಇನ್ವೆಂಟ್ಗೂ ಡಿಸ್ಕವರ್ಗೂ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಹಂಗಂದ್ರೆ ಆವಿಷ್ಕಾರ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರೋದನ್ನ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯೋದು. ಡಿಸ್ಕವರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇರೋದನ್ನ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯೋದು. ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕವರ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಇನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರೋದನ್ನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಇನ್ವೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ಆಸ್ಟ್ರೋನಾಮರ್, ಅ ಸೈಂಟಿಸ್ಟ್ ಹೂ ಸ್ಟಡೀಸ್ ಹೆವೆನ್ಲಿ ಬಾಡೀಸ್. ಆಸ್ಟ್ರೋನಾಮರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಖಗೋಳ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನಿ, ಖಗೋಳ ಶಾಸ್ತ್ರಜ್ಞ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಫೈ, ಮೇಕ್ ಬಿಗ್ಗರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಮಾಡೋದು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಜೂಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಫೈ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗಿ ನೋಡೋದು, ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡೋದು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ಫೇಂಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಡ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡೋದಾದ್ರೆ ನಾಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಸುಕಾಗಿ ಕಾಣೋದು, ಮಸುಕಾದ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಮಬ್ಬಗೆ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತದಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಮಸುಕಾದ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ಅಮೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಸರ್ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಶ್ಚರ್ಯ. ಎಕ್ಸೈಟ್, ಫೀಲ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಭಾವೋದ್ರೇಕಗೊಳ್ಳುವುದು. ಲುಕಿಂಗ್ ಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಲುಕಿಂಗ್ ಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಟೆಲಿಸ್ಕೋಪ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದೂರದರ್ಶಕಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಟೆಲಿಸ್ಕೋಪ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ರಿಯಲೈಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್, ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡಿಕೋ, ತಿಳಿದುಕೋ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ನೀಲ್, ಸಿಟ್ ಆನ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ನೀಸ್, ಮೊಣಕಾಲೂರಿ ಕುಳಿತುಕೋ. ವಿಸ್ಪರ್, ಸ್ಪೀಕ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ವೆರಿ ಲೋ ವಾಯ್ಸ್, ನಿಧಾನವಾಗಿ ಮಾತನಾಡುವುದು. ಪಿಸುಗುಡೋದು ಅಂತೀವಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ನಿಧಾನವಾಗಿ ಮಾತನಾಡುವುದು ವಿಸ್ಪರ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಇನ್ಕ್ವಿಸಿಷನ್, ದ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಪ್ ಬೈ ದ ರೋಮನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಥೋಲಿಕ್ ಚರ್ಚ್ ಟು ಪನಿಷ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಹೂ ಅಪೋಸ್ಡ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಬಿಲೀಫ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವಿಚಾರಣೆ ಒಳಪಡಿಸೋ ಒಂದು ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದನ್ನೇ ನಾವು ಇನ್ಕ್ವಿಸಿಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ವಿಚಾರಣೆಗೆ ಒಳಪಡಿಸುವಂಥದ್ದು ಇನ್ಕ್ವಿಸಿಷನ್. ಅನ್ಬಿಲೀವರ್, ಒನ್ ಹೂ ಡಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಬಿಲೀವ್ ಇನ್ ಗಾಡ್, ದೇವರಲ್ಲಿ ನಂಬಿಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲದವ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಅನ್ಬಿಲೀವರ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಪ್ರೀ ರೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಟಾಸ್ಕ್. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್? Answer the questions your teacher asks you. Eighth one. A. Name some heavenly bodies. Answer: stars, planets, meteors, asteroids, etc. are called as heavenly bodies. Bth one. What is astronomy? What is astronomy? Answer is: astronomy is the natural science that studies about stars, planets and the universe. Next one, name an Indian astronomer. Answer: Aryabhat. Aryabhat is an Indian astronomer. Next one, Dth one. What is a planetarium? There is one in Karnataka. Where is it? Answer: a planetarium is a building in which images of stars, planets and constellations are projected onto a domed ceiling. Yes, there is a planetarium in Bangalore, Karnataka, the Jawaharlal Nehru Planetarium. Okay. Let's move to the next. Eighth one. What instrument do astronomers use? That is telescope. Answer is telescope. Telescope used by astronomers. Some sentences given below are not true. Correct them and write them down. Discuss the points with your partner. Okay, look at the sentence. A learned men have always believed that the earth moved around the sun. True or not true? That is not true. In your chapter, it is not true. What is the right answer in your chapter? Here it is answer. Learned men believed that the earth was fixed in space and the sun and all other heavenly bodies went round it. Okay, this one is correct sentence which is belongs to your chapter. Okay. Beat one. The first telescope ever made was invented by Lippershey. True or not true? That is true. Next one. Sixth one. Galileo thought a telescope would help him in his studies. True or not true? That is true. Next one. D. Galileo watched the heavenly bodies in the clear night sky. That is true. Next. E. The people of Venice also turned the looking tube towards the night sky. That is not true. What is the right answer is? The people of Venice took it to the top of high buildings and looked through it at the ships out in the sea. Okay, next one. F. Galileo went on improving his telescope. That is true. G. Copernicus had already said what Galileo was saying. That is true. H. The church set Galileo free because it finally agreed with his ideas. That is not true. The correct answer is the church set Galileo free because of his old age. Okay. Second one. Talk to your partner about the points raised in these questions and then write down what you said. A. How is our knowledge about the earth different from the knowledge of people, even learned men, some 400 years ago? Answer. It is common knowledge today that the earth is a planet revolving around the sun. But there was a time not many centuries ago when even learned men believed that the earth was fixed in space and the sun and all other heavenly bodies went round it. Beat 1. Who corrected people's thinking about our earth in the 17th century? Galileo Galilei corrected people's thinking about our earth in the 17th century. Next one. Sixth one. What is Lippershey's contribution to astronomy? Answer. Lippershey invented the telescope, the instrument with which astronomers watch the skies. The telescope makes distant objects appear to be near and magnified several times over. Next one. What is the Milky Way? ಹಾಲು ಹಾದಿ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಿರಲ್ಲ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ, ಅದು ಮಿಲ್ಕಿ ವೇ. ಆನ್ಸರ್. ದ ಮಿಲ್ಕಿ ವೇ ಈಸ್ ದ broad white band of light seen across the sky at night and contains millions and millions of faint stars. Next one. In what ways is the moon similar to the earth? Answer. On the moon's surface, which seems so smooth, has high mountains and deep valleys like those on the earth. F. Why was Galileo appointed professor at the University of Padua? Answer. The people of Venice saw ships 50 miles away appearing to be only 15 miles off. When the telescope was shown to the ruler of Venice, he was greatly pleased with the invention and appointed Galileo as a professor for life at the University of Padua. G. What were the two important discoveries Galileo made with his much improved telescope? Answer. With his much improved telescope, Galileo found that the planet Jupiter had little moons that revolved round it, and found that the sun had spots upon it, and that the spots slowly moved across its face. He found from this that the sun, like the earth, spins around itself. Next one. Who had made discoveries similar to Galileo's in the 16th century? Answer. Copernicus, a Polish astronomer, had made discoveries similar to Galileo in the 16th century. I. What trouble did Galileo bring upon himself by telling truths about the heavenly bodies? Answer. Galileo's new teaching caused great excitement among the learned men, because it meant that all their own teaching was completely wrong. They began to oppose him, and many of them became his enemies. Then he got into trouble with the church. Okay, next one. What is the ironic story about Galileo facing the Inquisition? Answer. Galileo knelt and declared that Galileo knelt and declared that he no longer believed that the earth moved round the sun. As he rose from his knees, he whispered to himself, "But still it does move." Focus on grammar. Third one. Rewrite the first sentence of paragraph 2 in 3 sentences. Look at these 3 sentences. A man called Lippershey, a native of Holland, invented the telescope. B1. He invented the telescope in the year 1608. C. The telescope makes distant objects appear to be near and magnified several times over. Okay. These are the 3 sentences from paragraph 2. Next one. Rewrite this sentence in 2 sentences. Each sentence must have 7 words. Look at this. The sentence they have given. Galileo's was the first telescope that was overturned towards the stars. Here, Galileo first turned his telescope towards stars. B1. No one invented the telescope before him. Next one. Reorder the jumbled words to make a sentence. Look at this fourth one. 17 words are given below. For the last two words only clues are given. Make a sentence using these words. Look at these words. Earth, bird, include, trip, on, expensive, does, free, the, living, is, it, around, sun, e dash, y dash. What is this? Every year. Okay. Write down your sentence, punctuating it. Living on earth is expensive, but it does include a free trip around the sun every year. Next one. B. Read your sentence to your partner. This sentence only you have to read it again to your partner. Okay. Next. Sixth one. What does the word it refer to? Answer. It refers to living on the earth. Next one. Dth one. Which word in your sentence should you emphasize? Read the sentence again, stressing this word. Answer. Free trips every year around the sun. Look at this one. Free trips. This is the emphasizing word. Okay. Free trips every year around the earth. Eighth one. Did you get the joke? How many free trips have you made so far? Answer. As many trips as my age. Okay. Look at this one. Pronunciation. Here about pronunciation there is a exercise. Fifth one. When you say the following words, you stress the third syllable from the end. Look at this one. From the end, you have to stress the third syllable. This is the third syllable. Okay. These are the third syllables. You have to stress these syllables. Okay. Look at this one. First one. Astronomy. Okay. Astronomy. You are stressing this one, astronomy, because you are stressing only vowel sound. Look at this one. Stress the vowel sound. Do not stress the consonant sound in the syllable. Okay. You have to stress the vowel sound. Here, okay, astronomy. Astronomy. You are stressing the third syllable. Okay. Next one. Democracy. Democracy. Astrology. Physiotherapy. Physiotherapy. Biology. Democracy. Geology. Geology. Okay. Aristocracy. Aristocracy. Philosophy. 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 Plutocracy. Plutocracy. Okay. Here you have to maintain the vowel sound only, not the consonant sound. Okay. Next one. Word formation with suffix er and ist. Okay. You have to use you use these words, okay, to form the word. Now say the words for different kinds of scientists. Stress the third syllable from the end, like this. Look at the example. Astronomy. Astronomer. Astronomer. Okay. Say the words for the persons who believe in the social, political and scientific systems. Stress the first syllable. Example. First syllable. Democracy. Here democracy. De. Okay, this is the first level, democracy. Okay, you have to stress this word. Let us see other words. Democracy, democrat or democratist. Okay, you can say this as democratist. Autocracy, autocracy, autocrat, autocrat. Sociology, socialist. Meteorology, meteorology, meteorologist, meteorologist. Okay. Psychology, psychologist. Next one, seventh one, writing. Write a paragraph on the telescope using the ideas in the text. Answer: telescope is a device which makes distant objects appear to be near and magnified several times over. In 1608, Leperci invented the telescope. When Galileo heard about this, he set to work on making a telescope for himself and succeeded in making a better one. He was the first man to turn the telescope towards the sky. Astronomers watch the skies with the telescope. Using his telescope, which brought objects 30 times nearer, Galileo made important discoveries about the heavenly bodies. Okay. Next one. A. Work with your partner and fill in the blanks. Write down the appropriate words in the blanks. Already I have filled this. Look at the paragraph. Think of the names of some scientists and their inventions. We praise and honor scientists because their inventions are useful to us. But sometimes a scientist may face a truth about nature that may not be liked by some people. This is because of our ignorance and prejudice. In olden days, scientists even got into trouble for finding out truths. Galileo was an Italian astronomer. He got into trouble for telling some truths about the heavenly bodies. Okay, that's it, students. Thanks for watching the video. If you really like this video, please subscribe to my channel to get notified for the upcoming videos. Thank you so much.